Now that we have our event frames and notifications configured, let's see what they look like in PyVision. You can see on my screen here that I have a PyVision display that shows our alert counts and alert durations. This is an asset comparison table in PyVision. And you also can see that I have all my high bearing temp events below in an event frame table. From here, I can obviously see at a glance how my pumps are doing, as well as I could put reason codes or acknowledge my event frames in the table. The following optional exercises have step-by-step instructions as far as how to make this and how to acknowledge. So in this exercise, we created event frames to track high bearing temperature events and then created notifications on top of those events to email those out, as well as count the number of alerts for this high bearing temperature and their duration, all to help us better maintain our assets.